Did you know your brain has superpowers? It's capable of storing more information than any computer on Earth, and it can process information faster than the speed of light. In this video, we'll explore 25 fascinating facts about its incredible abilities and strange quirks. From the science of memory and learning to the mysteries of consciousness and perception, join me as we unlock the secrets of the most complex object in the known universe, the human brain. The human brain is often compared to a vast and intricate universe. Professor Paul Reber at Northwestern University suggests it can store 2,500,000 gigabytes of information. That's like having enough storage space to hold 300 years worth of non-stop TV shows. Imagine the volume of experiences, knowledge, and memories we carry within us. It's a testament to the extraordinary capacity of this organ. In our fast-paced, information-saturated world, it seems our attention spans are shrinking faster than ever. Research indicates that over the past decade, the average attention span has decreased by a staggering 12 minutes. That's right, it's gotten so bad that we humans now have shorter attention spans than goldfish. This begs the question, what's happening in our brains, and how is our hyper-connected world shaping our ability to focus and concentrate? Have you ever wondered how much your brain weighs? The average adult human brain tips the scales at around 3 pounds. That's about the same weight as a cantaloupe. This 3-pound organ is responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. It's a sobering thought that such a relatively small organ can hold such immense power and potential. Truly, the brain is a marvel of nature. Our brains are incredible time travelers, storing memories from both the recent and distant past. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a crucial role in forming new memories and transferring them from short-term to long-term storage. But memory isn't just about one part of the brain. It's a complex interplay of different regions working together seamlessly. Want to boost your brain power? It might be as simple as adjusting your diet. Vitamin B1, found in whole grains, beans, and nuts, is crucial for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory. Studies show that supplementing with B1 and folic acid can improve short-term and long-term memory. We live in an age of instant information, with Google as an external hard drive for our collective knowledge. But this easy access might have an unintended consequence. It's making it harder to remember things. The more effort we put into retrieving information, the stronger the memory becomes. So while Google is a useful tool, don't be afraid to exercise your memory muscle. Our brains are already hard at work even before we enter the world. Memory formation begins in the womb, a time of incredible brain development. Amazingly, memory recall can occur as early as 4 months into pregnancy. This means that some of our earliest experiences are imprinted on our brains long before we take our first breath. The brain makes up about 2% of our body weight, but don't let that fool you. It's a real energy hog. This organ demands 20% of our body's total oxygen and energy. Think of it like a high-performance car engine needing premium fuel. That's why a healthy blood supply is essential for brain function. Staying hydrated is crucial for our overall health. But did you know your brain is about 73% water? Even mild dehydration, as little as 2%, affects attention, memory, and cognitive functions. So next time you reach for a drink, remember, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're also hydrating your brain. Here's a fact that might make you rethink your next workout. Just 90 minutes of sweating can shrink your brain as much as a year of aging. Don't worry, this shrinkage is temporary and due to fluid loss. It highlights the importance of staying hydrated during strenuous activities. Our brains are incredibly dependent on a constant supply of oxygen. In fact, just 5 minutes without oxygen can lead to the death of brain cells, potentially causing irreversible damage. This underscores the vital role our respiratory and circulatory systems play in keeping our brains healthy and functioning properly every day. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a low-wattage light bulb. This complex organ produces 12 to 25 watts even when you're sleeping. This electrical activity allows neurons to communicate and is essential for brain functions. Information travels through the brain at lightning speed thanks to our neurons. These specialized cells transmit information as electrical signals, some reaching speeds up to 150 mph. That's faster than a Formula 1 race car. However, not all neurons travel at the same speed. Pain signals move much slower. Want to improve your memory? Ditch the flashcards and take a quiz instead. Studies show that people who quiz themselves after revising material are 65% more likely to remember the information. Actively recalling information strengthens the neural pathways associated with that memory. It's true, learning new things can change your brain. Our brains form new connections between neurons, increasing visible gray matter. This means the more we challenge ourselves mentally, the more we promote brain growth and plasticity. Our memories are not always accurate recordings of the past. Emotions shape how we encode and recall memories. Strong emotions make events more vividly remembered. But our feelings can color memories, causing biases and distortions. Emotions are not just fleeting feelings. They have a tangible impact on our brains. When we experience emotions, our brains release chemicals that alter our brain chemistry. These reactions can be observed in brain scans and studies of gray matter, revealing the connection between our emotional and physical selves. Our brains are constantly buzzing with activity, generating an estimated 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts per day. That's a lot of mental chatter. Unfortunately, a significant portion of these thoughts, around 60 to 70%, tend to be negative. This highlights the importance of cultivating positive self-talk and mindfulness practices to counteract our brain's natural negativity bias and foster a healthier mindset. The human brain is a marvel of biological engineering. With roughly 100 billion neurons, it's estimated that over 100,000 chemical reactions occur every single second. This complex interplay of chemical signals allows us to think, learn, feel, and experience the world around us every day. Ever wondered why you can't remember what happened when you've had too much to drink? It's not just a matter of forgetting. Your brain actually becomes incapable of forming new memories when you're intoxicated. Alcohol disrupts the chemical processes involved in memory consolidation, so those embarrassing moments you don't remember, they never actually made it into your long-term memory storage. For individuals struggling with post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, memories of traumatic events can be debilitating. However, research suggests that practicing recollection in a safe and controlled therapeutic setting can actually help to alleviate PTSD symptoms. By confronting and processing traumatic memories, individuals can begin to regain a sense of control and reduce the emotional intensity associated with those painful memories. Ever wondered what your brain feels like? Surprisingly, it's often compared to tofu in texture and consistency. The brain is mainly gray and white matter, with lots of water. While we might like to think our brains stay sharp forever, the reality is that our cognitive speed slows down around age 24. This doesn't mean we stop learning or growing, but we might need to adapt our learning strategies as we age. We like to think we're in control of our decisions, but our subconscious minds play a much larger role. Astonishingly, 95% of our decisions are made subconsciously. This means the majority of our actions are driven by brain activity we're not aware of. While our brains process pain signals from our bodies, the brain itself has no pain receptors. This allows brain surgeries to be done while the patient is awake, without discomfort. It's strange that the organ responsible for pain is immune to it. From its incredible storage capacity to its ability to generate electricity, the human brain is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. As we continue to explore the cosmos inside our heads, we're bound to uncover even more fascinating secrets about this complex and enigmatic organ. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts and discoveries.